imagine cracking a 60 LPA job offer right after your graduation without even needing an IIT tag. Which colleges actually provide this in 2026? I will tell you in just a few minutes. Hey everyone, welcome to Career Buddy AR, your go-to channel for top internships, jobs, free certificates, etc. Today, I am telling you about the top 10 engineering colleges in India for 2026 that do not require an advanced rank, JE rank, yet their graduate beats the IITians in package and global placements with their real highest packages, average packages, and the campus life they provide. And also, I will tell you their secret direct admission tips. Let's start with number 1. BITS Pilani, ranked 20th by NIRF and an official institute of eminence. While everyone knows about the BITSAT exam, if you are a board topper from any state or the central board topper, BITS Pilani gives you direct admission to your chosen program, completely ignoring your BITSAT score. Highest package of this year is 60 LPA, with some touching up to 1.5 crore in data science and product roles. Average was around 30 LPA, but wait, that's not all. Their campus life is next level. Olympic pool, 24/7 labs, startup ecosystem, and a lot more. Next up, we have VIT Vellore, ranked 11th by NIRF. Admission is through VIT EEE. But if you have a valid JEE main score, CET, or SAT score, you are exempted from the examination. Plus, a management quota is available if you can afford a higher fee. Their average package is 9 to 10 LPA, whereas their highest package is 88 LPA. They have massive hostels, multi-cuisine food, and even sports complex. Moving on to number 3, MIT Manipal, ranked 4th by NIRF ranking. And while you usually go through MET exam for the entrance, if seats remain after counseling, they offer direct admission based on your class 12 marks, provided you have a minimum 60% in physics, maths, and an optional subject. Their highest package is 57 LPA and their average is 11 LPA. Closing out Tier 1 colleges is SRM IST Chennai, ranked 13 by NIRF. Aside from SRM JEE, they offer direct admission routes for both toppers, JEE main toppers, JEE advanced toppers, top district rankers, and the exemplary sports persons. Their average package is on the lower side, that is 7 LPA, but their highest package is up to 55 LPA. Before I jump to the Tier 2 powerhouses that offer incredible return on investment, shout out to Iron Queen for their love and support. If you also want a shout out, comment below. If you found this video useful, then like, save, and share it with your friends. Do join our Telegram channel for getting all the updates the fastest because 2026 rewards the prepared. At number 5, we have Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Coimbatore, accredited A++ by NAC with 400 acres of campus. While their overall highest package was 25 LPA, their Amravati BTech campus hit a massive 56 LPA package, attaining placements from Google and Microsoft itself. Number 6 is Thapar Institute, Patiala. They have a dedicated school for advanced AI and data science powered by NVIDIA. Their highest package is 1.23 crores and their average package is 12 LPA. Now, let's speedrun the next colleges. 7th, SOE University, Bhubaneswar, A++ accredited, offers an average package of 6 LPA and the highest package of 46 LPA. Admission is through SAT and JEE. 8th, Lovely Professional University, popularly known as LPU. In 2022, they recorded a 3 crore international package. Their average sits realistically at around 10 LPA. You can completely bypass their LPU next exam if you have a score of 90% in class 12 or have strong JEE main score. 9th, JEIT Noida, excellent for IT, offering 93% placement rate and the highest package of 61 LPA in recent seasons. 10th, MSRIT Bangalore, Heavy Industry Academia linkage by IBM, Intel, and many more. They feature a 95% placement rate and the highest package of 58 LPA. 11th, RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. Renowned for tech placements, they have a solid 10 LPA average package and the top package of 92 LPA with 75% placement rate specifically for BTech Computer Science. I know, I was telling you that I will tell you 10 colleges. But no, it's me. I will tell you. Rounding out our list for campuses offering great geographic advantage and diverse entries. 12th one is MIT University, Noida. Spanning 85 acres with high-tech lab, they offer 11,000 job opportunities in a single year with the highest package of 35 LPA. 13th, MIT World Peace University, Pune. It offers 1,600 plus industry connections and the highest package is 51 LPA. 14th is Manav Rachna University, Faridabad. They ranked 74th by India Today, achieving a 87.3% placement rate and the highest package of 54 LPA. 15th is Rai University, Ahmedabad. Merit-based admission with a mandatory personal interview, offering a 5 LPA average package with recruiters like TCS and Google. 16th is DIT University, Dehradun. It reserves 10% seats directly for Class 12 board toppers, featuring the highest package of 58 LPA. And the last, but not the least, PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore. A historic institute founded in 1951 featuring labs sponsored directly by Apple, Microsoft, and Dell, pulling a 95 to 96% placement rate and an average package of 9 LPA. Subscribe to Career Buddy AI and press the bell icon if you're serious about your career. Do like and comment below what you want me to cover next.